Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you are like me and you love to write with gel pens, then you are gonna love this one. This is the Pentel EnerGel pen, and this is a fine tip. It's actually so fine, it is called the needle tip. It is a 0.5 millimeter gel ink pen, and this thing is great. So I love that it is a retractable pen. So it has the clicky function, which I love, and it's also very comfortable to write with. It has a little rubber grip at the bottom, so of course that gives you a lot of comfort, and you can write longer with less fatigue. I really like this pen if I am doing anything where I'm going to be taking a lot of notes. I can write really small in little margins and put a lot of notes, and the ink flows very smoothly and very consistently. So I know that I'm going to have very clear lines even if I write really small. So it's going to make it really easy to read later. So I absolutely love that. I think this is a great pen, especially if you like to take notes in a small space. So I would definitely recommend it, and that's my point of view.